Hey guys, this is Chris Rocha. Thanks for coming to my channel and to my Ubersuggest video. So if you don't know what Ubersuggest is an SEO tool that was created by Neil Patel. Neil Patel is a well-known internet marketer and he is an SEO expert. So he created this tool not long ago, and it is a very useful tool. I use it all the time. And what I like the most about this tool is that you can use it for free. I have a paid account, but it's because I really use it so much. But you can definitely create a free account and use it for free. It's absolutely worth it. Okay, so let me just give you a quick tour, show you how it works and how easy it is to use actually. Okay, so let's just go here. So what you can do is start in this box here, you can just look for a keyword that you're interested in. All right, so let's just go with how to create a blog. And we'll go to search, and the results are going to come up. Here it is. So my keyword, how to create a blog, has about 8,100 searches every month. So it's a high volume search. The SEO difficulty, meaning the difficulty to rank for this keyword, is considered easy, so 25. And just so you know, this score goes from 0 to 100, so 25 is really not bad. And the pay difficulty is a little bit higher, right? It's 58. So what does pay difficulty mean? So this means that there is a lot of competition for people to rank on top of the ads. So if I was going to be creating a paid ad for how to create a blog, to, for example, to uh, to get my blog on top of Google using that keyword, it would be difficult, meaning there are a lot of people bidding for this keyword. And the cost per click would be about $13 per click. So this is very, very expensive. So if you are able to rank for free for organic search for this keyword, you're gonna be very lucky, really, because the number of searches a month is really high. So that's great. Okay, so let's go over on this side. So besides giving you this, it's also going to give you some keyword ideas based on your initial search. So let's go here. Okay, so the keyword that I searched, it's on top, right? And then it lists several keywords that are related to that one that I searched. So this one that I initially searched, we went over, has over 8,000 searches a month. While if I go for how to create a blog for free, has about 1,900 searches a month, and the SEO difficulty is about the same. The cost per click is lower, right? So you understand here how it goes. The usually the top one is the one that I initially searched for, and the second one is the one that is similar, that is related to the one I searched, but with a higher search of volume, and then it goes down, 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 down until so you go all the way to very little searches, very few searches a month. Okay. All right, so this is one of the things that you should look at when you are doing keyword research. But one thing that is also important is looking on this other side here, because here what we're going to see it's your competition, right? So if I am trying to rank for how to create a blog, while it says that SEO difficulty is not as difficult, one thing that you need to take in consideration and is who you're competing with. Okay, who you're competing against. So you have here WordPress.com is on the top of the search. Then Wix and even New Patel is right here. So he's number 3. And what does this mean here? So it's giving you the URLs, the estimated visitors they receive because they rank for this keyword, the number of backlinks they have, and this is also very, very important. It's the domain score. So the authority sites have higher domain score. So for you, if you're just starting a new blog or a new website, chances are that you have a domain score of 0. So it's going to be very difficult for you to be able to rank against these big guys here. Okay, as you can see, everybody here have a high domain score. So I would suggest that you kind of stay away from this keyword. This is not the best keyword for someone that is just starting. Unless you want to invest on paid ads, but as we saw here, the cost per click is very high. So I would really suggest you just go with a lower competition keyword where your competitors don't have such high domain scores here. So as you can see here, Neil, so this is actually a picture of Neil. So he actually gives us an average web page ranking. So what he's saying is that the top 10 websites here, they have an average of 319 backlinks and a domain score of 90. So for you to get to the top of Google with this keyword, would require a lot of work and probably a lot of time. So I would suggest you look for a different keyword, like I said. Okay. All right. So like I said before, besides being able to use this for free, another thing that I like a lot is the training that they offer. So if you go to this page, you can just scroll down to this area here. There is the knowledge base, and you're going to find several videos about SEO and how you can improve your SEO, the SEO on your blog or your website to increase your chances of ranking on Google. Okay, so if you wanna just create your free account, just go in today, take advantage of the free account and the free training. In case you decide to go for a paid account, let's just take a look here how much it costs. So the basic account, this is the one I have, is $29 a month. A business account is $49 and enterprise is $99. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video and I was able to show you a little bit about Ubersuggest. Be safe, be good, and I'll talk to you later. Okay, bye.